Hello guys. This is my second video, continuation of first part. So let me give brief introduction about what we learned in first video. So these are all the libraries which we are going to use for creating models. And the first step is to load our model, and second step is to categorize the values and its label, and the third step is to train and test, splitting the data. Fourth is creating a model, and fifth is training the model, and sixth step is predicting. I have shown you everything in last video till the sixth step. We have created a model and it's predicting now. So after this, we just need to mainly focus on what exactly the input the model is taking. So if you don't know what exactly the input is going to the model and what output is coming, so you won't be able to create a full stack app. To explain you guys, I will take one example of a single value and I will be showing what exactly the model is taking. So even you people try same what I am doing, you people also try to do same. So same steps will be carried even in your models. Everything will be same. I hope you guys understood. So let's see what exactly the input value for this model. To know what exactly our model takes values is, so we all have xtrain and xtest, which consist of feature names. So let's print features so that we will be understanding what exactly the input is. In our case, it is a data frame which I already told you it will be in rows and columns. There are 4 columns which I already showed you: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. By using these 4 values, our model will predict what flower is this. Okay. So I already showed this is the first row of our test X test. So for this it displayed 2. 2 is nothing but Virginica. So for this values label is Virginica. Our model takes only these 4 values. So I just created an array which consists of 4 values which I have given randomly 5.5, 2.6, 4.4, 1.2. So I have taken random array or a random values. I have created an array which is named new array, new ARR. So now new ARR consists of a single row which I need to predict from the model. Even I don't know what exactly the output for this. Let us give to the model and see what output it's predicting. The mainly focus on how the input is going to the model. The input is very important to understand. Only when you understand what exactly the inputs are going to the model, then only you can create an app by using Django. I am creating new predict as a variable. So I will be calling my model.predict. I will giving the value as new array. New array is nothing but my random values which I have created. Now new pred will be having the value for the values which I have provided here. So let's ignore this and let's print what our new pred is. Array of 1. 1 is nothing but the value. So 1 means versicolor. So our model predicted it is versicolor based on the values which I provided. This is how we make use of model to predict by just giving input values. Why I have created this means, so iris.target names has categorized, and if you give as 1, it will be giving the category name. So I will show you. So not this. So you can see that it's versicolor as I told you before. Till here we must focus on what exactly our output is. So I hope you guys understood. This is the simple model. It's like printing an hello world in machine learning. So once again I am telling, correctly analyze what inputs you are giving, then only you can create full stack app. Till here we have completed. Our next step is to save our model. So why to save our model? We have trained our model. We have option to save our model in a file. Let me just show you. So it is possible just because of Joblib. Joblib is a library which helps to save the model in the files or a storage. Let me import Joblib. So Joblib even has many functions. So we will be using only for saving the model. Syntax for importing Joblib is import Joblib. After importing Joblib, we have to save the model. So first you people analyze how to train model, how to give input and what output is giving. Once you're familiar with everything and once your model is performing perfectly, then you use this step. So this is very important to save the model and use in our Django app. So I have imported Joblib. After my training set or after my model gets trained, so what I'm going to do is I'm just calling joblib.dump. Dump is nothing but we are telling Joblib to save the model. Dump is nothing but to dump the model in our storage system. So for example, if you give this, it will create an file and store the model into those files. It takes two parameters. One is model name. I have created a variable model. So I will be giving as model here and comma, and next is the model.pkl. Model.pkl is a file name which I need to store the model in it. So I am just giving in parenthesis. So model.pkl. This pkl is compulsory. You can give here anything and this pkl is compulsory. Let's run this. So if I run this, we can see that my model.pkl has here. So it has an file. It has been saved. It is done by Joblib. What we can do, we can just right click or left click on the three dots, just download it. Our download will be done and our model is saved in the file. So now the file which we have created, it will be imported to the Django project and we can use our model in Django app. So that's all for this video, and next I will be continuing in Django project in VS Code. So thank you guys.